Hello my dear viewers, how are you all? Hope you're all doing well. So guys, I hope you are all enjoying my videos. In this video I am going to show you 50 plus Halloween crochet patterns that will boost your spooky decor. Welcome to the best place to find your next favorite Halloween crochet patterns. Below in this video, you will find patterns for treat bags, amigurumi and appliques, costumes and wearables, home decor, plus pillows and blankets, all perfect for Halloween. Before we get to the good stuff, you are going to want to save with screenshots. In this video, you will see different types of crochet Halloween decor items for your home. I really hope what are your plans this Halloween. We are already excited about what costumes we will be wearing, how to best decor our home, and what sweet treats we will be giving as gifts. So to help you with your Halloween crochet, we have compiled this spectacular list of our favorite paid and free Halloween crochet patterns. And once you have hooked up your favorite Halloween crochet patterns, why not try your hand at some more creepy crafty makes? You could try these Halloween cross-stitch patterns, knitted Halloween decorations, or you could always stitch up a spooky showstopper with our pick of the best Halloween quilt patterns. These are free patterns, crochet patterns like pumpkin patterns, Oscar the spider, So guys, take care of yourself. I really hope that you will love my idea. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to share my views with others. Do take care of yourself guys. I will be back soon with my another videos with my another idea. Thank you so much guys. Take care of yourself. Do remember me in your prayers. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.